TradingView How to Set Leverage in Paper Trading Step-by-Step Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set leverage in TradingView paper trading. If you want to simulate margin trading with realistic leverage settings, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. First, open TradingView and sign in to your account. Then, open any chart and connect your paper trading account by clicking the Trade button and selecting Paper Trading. Once your paper trading account is connected, locate your account in the trading panel and click the settings or gear icon next to the account name. Inside the account settings, you'll find the leverage section. TradingView allows you to set leverage separately for different asset classes, such as stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, futures, and other supported markets. Simply choose the leverage ratio you want for each asset class from the available drop-down menus. If you're creating a new paper trading account, you'll also have the option to select your preferred leverage before the account is created. Likewise, if you reset your existing paper trading account, TradingView lets you change the leverage during the reset process. After saving your settings, every new trade you place in that paper trading account will use the selected leverage automatically. When you open the order ticket, you'll also see useful information such as margin, leverage, and trade value, helping you understand how much virtual capital is required before placing the order. Keep in mind that increasing leverage allows you to control larger positions with less capital, but it also increases the potential for larger losses. Even though you're using virtual money, it's a good idea to practice with the same leverage you plan to use in live trading. Here's a pro tip: don't choose the highest leverage just because it's available. Start with lower leverage while learning, focus on proper risk management, and only increase leverage when you have a consistent trading strategy. Developing disciplined habits during paper trading will prepare you much better for real market conditions. And that's how you can set leverage in TradingView paper trading. It's a simple process that lets you simulate realistic trading conditions while practicing with virtual funds. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and let me know in the comments what topic you'd like to learn next.